Welcome to Helical Insight training videos. In this video, you will see how to create a dashboard group and what all editing features can be applied to the dashboard group. A group is a collection of objects on dashboards like report, charts, tables, even image components or text components, etc. We can have individual set of reports grouped together and placed at specific position on dashboard. Group can have its own heading and customizations too. Groups allow better organization of dashboards. The most common use case is to group reports of same team under the same group. For example, all dashboards related to marketing could be grouped together under a dashboard group marketing. A single dashboard can be in multiple groups. A group can also have another group inside it. Let us first see how to create a report group. To create a dashboard group, first step is to identify which reports are to be grouped in one group. For example, I'm selecting these two reports to group. So hover over that report and you will see several icons to its left. Select this icon to tag the report to be grouped. Alternatively, you can also select group from right-click on the report to be grouped. From context menu, select settings, select group to mark an object for tagging for grouping. Once all objects on dashboard are marked for grouping, right-click on the empty space of dashboard canvas and from the drop-down menu, select group. Once this action has been performed, you will see that the single element containing the tagged item appears on dashboard canvas. Now let us see how to align the groups. When you hover over the group created, just like reports, it will be highlighted with a blue border. This border only appears till you're hovering over it. There is no default border or any other settings yet applied to the group. You can resize and reposition the group now by dragging and dropping just like any other report. You can also do the same by using the alignment option from right-click context menu of the group. To change it from the alignment pane, right-click on the empty space within the group and select alignment from the context menu. From the alignment pane on the right, select how you want to align it and select apply. So you can see that the group has now aligned 2 units from the left. Here, although the reports appear to be separate, but if you hover on or near them, you'll be able to see the common blue dynamic boundary to them and the blank space as well. We can also apply properties to a group. This grouped item especially now behaves as any other dashboard object like report or chart and is open to many editing options like adding a background or border, header or shadow. For example, if I want to add header to this grouped item, then right-click in the empty space in the group. From the context menu, select header. Just like any other report on dashboard, a header panel will open up. Enable the header. In title editor, enter the text for header. For example, marketing. Format the header as needed and then select apply. In a similar way, we can edit other properties like adding border or change the background or applying a shadow to the group. An important task after we group reports is to align individual reports inside a group. If you want to reposition or realign individual reports inside the group, you can do it by using the alignment pane of individual object which you get from the context menu. If you want to use drag and drop option, first ensure to pin the group itself by selecting the pin icon at the top left of the group. Please note that each object and group both have their own options and icons. So if they are overlapping, be careful while choosing it. You may also pin it by right-clicking on the group and selecting pin from settings. Once pinned, we will not be able to resize or reposition the group by dragging. However, you can still go to alignment pane and still change the alignment of the group. Now you can see that the group is 3 units from the left. As the group is pinned to its place, then you can drag individual objects inside to reposition or resize. If overall any report is going beyond the group limits, a scroll bar will be added automatically to keep all reports accessible within the confined area of the group. Now, you can edit individual reports as per your needs and apply properties to the individual reports also. For this again, use the right-click context menu option on report to which we want to apply properties. For example, if I want to add a border, say in red color to the report, then select apply and you will see that a red border has been applied to the report. You can ungroup the grouped reports also. For this, select this icon on the left side. This will simply remove the reports from group. That is, the group and its properties are deleted, but the reports will retain any changes done to the reports after grouping. For example, you can see that the red border has been retained by this report after ungrouping also. If you want to add one more report to the group, it is suggested that you ungroup them first and then select all reports and group them up again. However, there are requirements when a group itself needs to be a part of a larger group. Then you can mark group along with another report or group to apply another level of grouping. For example, if I tag this group of 2 reports and tag this independent third report for grouping, just like the process explained before, then you will see that a new group will be created with 2 components. One is a group and the other is an individual report. So let us quickly rearrange them for better understanding by first pinning the main group, and then we will realign all other components. So now you can see that the components inside the group have been realigned properly. If you want to delete a group, then either select icon from here or from right click context menu within settings, select delete. Then it deletes the group as well as the components contained within it. This is an easy way to remove everything in it. Here, the inner group containing 2 reports has been deleted completely with all its components and settings. However, if you're not looking to delete everything inside, ungroup is the correct option to choose. Congratulations, you're one step closer in becoming a Helical Insight expert.